No, don't worry, I've not started cooking segments here on Simple Solutions, but I am using the microwave for home cleaning tip for greasy kitchen cabinets. Now the challenge is how to get the grease off the cabinet without affecting the finish. If you use a harsh cleanser or an abrasive powder, you can actually ruin the finish on the door itself. Here's the trick that I've discovered that works really well. Take a sponge and dampen it with a little water, then microwave it for maybe 30 or 40 seconds. And be sure to wear rubber gloves because it comes out pretty hot and steamy. Now I'm going to use this in conjunction with some cleaner that has orange oil in it. Now the combination of the orange oil, which has citrus in it, which really cuts the grease, and the hot sponge will get the door clean in no time. Now after you've done this, you want to make sure you do the frame of the door itself too, especially up here high. And then just wipe it down with a paper towel. Now it might be hard to see on camera, but the door is absolutely squeaky clean at this point. And now you've removed all the grease and used only half the elbow grease.